Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you can see that my car is quite scuffed up right now. So I'm in the process of doing the body work and all this stuff, which I'll be showing you guys when I get a chance to edit the videos. But today I actually got this in the mail, and this is actually a, I guess, Type R style shift knob to replace that fake Mugen one. I really didn't like the fake Mugen one, so I was thinking, oh, I'll replace it with something like this. So I got this online on eBay for like $8. So this is really cheap and it's nice solid aluminum. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and I'll show you guys how it looks like while I install this. All right, guys, so this is the Mugen one. I don't really like this one. It's got the sharp edges and it's not really even anything like the real Mugen one. It's got a flat top on this one. So it's just basically got a Mugen emblem on it. That's basically it. I don't really like the look of this. It doesn't look nice to me and it doesn't feel good to drive with this. I much prefer like something that's like stock, like it's got that rounder feel to it. But obviously this stock one is quite worn out. So I wanted to replace it with something that's metal. Obviously, it's going to be bad in the summer and bad in the winter, but as long as it looks nice, I guess. So I'm replacing it with this. You can see that this is actually really nice. It's got some nice solid construction. It feels good. It's really like nice and shiny. It just looks like a real good solid quality piece. And can you believe it? It only cost $8. So this is not bad. It's a really good deal for what it is. So we're just gonna remove this. So same process, just twist this off. They're all using these plastic fasteners, I guess. That's actually threaded quite deep, I guess. So yeah, there you go. That came right out, and here's that plastic piece. So like that one, this has the similar design. It's got a plastic thing in there. Um, Here are the little pieces. If you notice on my, I guess my shifter, there's gouges here. The original shift knob that was on here wasn't this one. It was actually a Momo shift knob, but the Momo shift knob is really worn. It actually was matched with, I guess, my Momo steering wheel. But I'm switching it all up. I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep the Momo steering wheel. To be honest, I might upgrade it to a better Momo steering wheel. But let's put one of these, I guess, these plastic fittings on here. So you just find the one that's the right size to twist on here. So just going to use two hands and open up this little baggie first. All right, so you get 3 of these little fittings. So you just find the one that fits on top. So that one's too big. And this one seems like it might fit. And this one's too small. So it was the middle one, which is this one. So yeah, this one should work. Yep. So basically you thread it into the shift knob. You can see that there is, I guess, flat ends here. If you had a wrench or something like that, you would twist this on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that onto the shift knob right now. You don't really need a wrench. When you twist it on, it'll automatically self-tighten. A little bit tough doing it with one hand, but it's doable. There you go. It just threads it in. It'll go all the way in. You just gotta twist it on first. There you go. I think it's bottomed out into the inside. So now you could twist this and create the threads for it, because the shift knob actually doesn't have it. These plastic bits don't have any threading in there. It's just a plastic bit, and you basically gouge the threads yourself. Ugh. It's actually a little difficult to do. Let's take this out first. So I'm assuming this lip on here is so that we could twist it onto the shifter first. So I'm just gonna go and get a crescent wrench or something and twist it down. All right, so just gotta put a wrench under here, and I'm gonna start twisting this. Yep, definitely need to twist this in. So I'm just gonna finish this up. I'll show you guys what it looks like after I've twisted it down. So here's the new shift knob. It's pretty nice feeling. Shifts really good. Feels nice when you shift it. So, I mean, I like this a lot more than the Mugen one. So I'll just do a side-by-side comparison. So yeah, I mean, the fake Mugen one covered a little bit better the bottom here. But other than that, I don't really like it. It doesn't feel good. It doesn't curve to your hand as good. These round shift knobs feel a lot nicer. But either way, a metal shift knob is going to be cold in the winter and it's going to be hot in the summer. So there's no pleasing anybody with these. The only thing is it looks good. And depending, I mean, this is $8. So depending on how the finish was done, this finish might just wear off over time. Because I remember having one on my DC Integra, and it was actually a lot nicer than this one, and it wore out completely, and it was just all faded everywhere. I could have polished that one up, but I didn't. I just tossed it out. I mean, you know, they're cheap, right? So, but this is the nice shift knob. I mean, it looks pretty good, and it looks like I already got a scratch here. So, overall, quality-wise, right out of the box, it looks good, feels good. But as far as durability, it might not be very durable. I'm not even sure how that scratch happened. I know it was nice and smooth beforehand, but there's a scratch here now. I mean, I didn't put it anywhere else. It's just trying to install it. It was just sitting on the seat for the most part. But anyways, that's it, guys. Maybe leave some comments on the bottom below and let me know what you guys think of the shift knob. And you know, if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.